Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Have you noticed lately that your inbox is like a zombie apocalypse? No matter how many you got killed, more just keep coming in. But today I've got a cure, automation. I'll show you how to build an email responder that not only handles the zombies, but also sends a witty one-liner as it buries them. Let's make email fun, or at least tolerable again. Without further ado, let's get to it. So first of all, sign into your make.com account and we're gonna create new scenario in here. Well, we're gonna name that scenario. It's gonna be email autoresponder. And you wanna create a new watch email module in here. You're gonna sign into your Google Drive. If you don't know how to do it, they got online help in here. Now click here to choose your folder, inbox, and we're gonna check all of your incoming emails. Now you don't need to be worried about the rest of these. And just click on OK. We wanna choose to check it from now on. You can also choose previous emails after specification. Set it up. Right now we have our email, so we can check if our email module is actually responding correctly. We'll send it out, run it once, and here we go. It's our HTML content, and there's supposed to be our text content. And we've got our email in here, in our module. There's a sender. Here we go. Now, another thing you really want to do in here is to add another module. It's gonna be ChatGPT's OpenAI, and it's gonna be a create completion prompt. So for purpose of this, we're gonna use a 4.0 mini. That's more than enough for this. You want to choose a message, role as a user, and I got pre-made prompt in here. So it's gonna be creating professional, polite, and concise response to incoming emails. Acknowledge, be received, address key points, identifiable. If it's identifiable, suggest next steps or timelines, including the following signature. And well, I'm just gonna write here. Do not use subject. Best regards, Mary, office manager. Sorry. It's gonna be checking text content inside of our email module. Save a scenario. Here we go. You got our subject, our main message, and sign it. Best regards, Martin. Okay, send it out, and we're gonna run it. Our module is actually getting email in, send it to ChatGPT, and here's our output. Here we go. There's a prompt and best regards, Martin. Okay, here's our response. Dear Martin, thank you for reaching out, la da da. Nice, that's how it's supposed to look. And right now, you wanna send it back. So, we're gonna create another module. Email module. And you wanna send an email. So, we're not gonna be sending these messages for now. Email address. That's gonna be responding address, subject. You wanna choose the same subject, so responding, and you will be responding in plain text. Content, you wanna see your results from your ChatGPT. Save your scenario, and here's gonna be another one. Here we go. You're running once, running your first module, receiving your email, writing a response, and sending email. Just like that. Simple as it is. Here we go. Thank you for your email. For a proactive approach to ensuring alignment on the ongoing project. Nice. So Mary responded pretty neatly. Now we can write there some response back. Thank you for the update. Should have a few questions. it out. Run once again. First module, ChatGPT, second module. And we've got our smart response. Nice. Everything works as it should. And that's it. Your auto email responder is live and kicking. Now you can let the machine deal with it. You've just bought yourself some time to do, well, anything else. You can also find template in free resources link down in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.